Namaste, welcome to Divine Yoga. My name is Keshav, and in today's video I am going to teach few asanas which will help you to improve your digestion. So without wasting any time, let's get started.
Let's begin. Your arm should be in front of your chest. Bend your both the knees and drop your knees on the ground and sit down. Your buttocks should be above your ankles. You can drop your palms over your thigh, or you can drop your palms on the ground. This is the basic sitting posture. In Sanskrit language, it is known as Vajra Asana. Keep your body straight. Keep your back straight. There are many benefits of the posture. It will help us to improve the digestion. It helps us to keep the mind calm. Physical benefits are, it helps us to reduce the back pain and knee pain. Everyone can do this posture. This posture is suitable for old people as well as for the young ones. You can do this pose after the meal or before the meal or while having the meal also. It is not required to do the pose for a long time. You can hold the pose for minimum 10 breaths. Then relax in Balasana. Move on to the second and third asana, that is cat and cow pose. For that, come up to tabletop position. Your shoulders and wrists should be in one line. Your buttocks and your knees should be in one line. As you inhale, press your back down and stretch your neck up. And while you exhale, fully synchronize your body and go down. As you inhale, fully stretch your body up. The name of the posture is cow pose. In Sanskrit language, it is known as Bitila Asana. Everyone can practice this asana. If you are feeling pain on your wrist and on your knees, you can relax your body in Balasana, then again come up. Now as you exhale, go down to Marjari Asana, that is cat pose. Fully synchronize your body. Try to touch your chin with your chest and look at your navel point. Inhale again up, come up to cow pose. Try to bring your buttocks and your knees should be in one line. Press your lower back closer to the ground. Go down as much as you can. If you have neck pain, any cervical problem, so avoid looking up. Just look forward. Hold the pose for minimum 10 to 15 breaths. Then exhale, go down to cat pose, that is Marjari Asana. You should practice cat and cow pose together. The benefits of cat and cow pose are, it helps to improve digestion as well as coordination. It also improves neck pain and back pain. It also stretches neck and spine. And relax in Balasana. Let's start the third asana, that is camel pose. For that, just sit up on your knees. There should be some space between your knees and your legs. Slowly place your hands behind you. Fully engage your core and press your hips and thighs forward. Now lift your chest and reach back, touching your heels with your hands. Just hold there. This is advanced. We will teach you how to reach back for beginners. Keep your body straight and try to bring your shoulders and wrists in one line. Your buttocks and your knees should be in one line. If it is difficult for you to keep your neck back, you can just lift it up. Now slowly release your body in Balasana. If you are beginner, you can place a bolster or some cushion on your legs. Fully adjust your body. Now slowly again raise your one hand up and place it on your heels or on your bolster. If you are beginner, you can place your hands on your bolster and just reach back. Try to bring a curve on the back. If you have neck pain, you can just lift it up. People of all ages can practice this. The benefits are it reduces back pain, neck pain, and improves digestion and respiration. When you want to come up, place your one palm on the back and then another arm, and then relax in Balasana. If you enjoy the video, do like, share and subscribe.